Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Day 2 of solving HackerRank problem. Uh, in day 2 we are going to solve the Python if else statement problem. Let's see this. First you have to understand the concept and you have to know about the if else statements first. You already know that if else statement you can solve this problem. So given integer n problem, given integer of n performing the following conditions actions. If n is odd, print void. If n is even in the inclusive range of 2 to 5, so in the 2 to 5, it would be not void. In the if n is even and inclusive range of 6 to 20, print void. If n is even and greater than 20, print not void. So this would be the input format. If we give input as a 3, it should print void. So let's solve this problem together. So guys, I already written the code. If if condition, first we have to give in if condition. If n percentage 2 equal to 1, what they said, wait, it should wait. If n percentage 2 equal to 0 means even, and n in the range of 2 to 5, it should print not void. And the third condition is n is even and inclusive of range of 6 to 20. So n percentage to equal to 0 means it's even, and n is in the range of 6 to 20. So printing void. And n is even and greater than 20. If n percentage to equal to 0 and n is greater than 20, it should print not void. This is a simple code I written already, and let's run this. So all the test conditions will be passed. This is the second challenge of solving Python series on HackerRank. Then submit the code. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.